So once you've created your survey, if you are a student, you're going to need to get your survey approved. And in this video, I'm going to show you how both students request to get their survey approved and how staff then go in and approve a survey. So both parties know what each side has to do. So to begin, in the My Projects tab, go to the survey which you want to get approved by your supervisor, and essentially without approval you can't distribute it, so you do need to do this stage. Now you go to the drop down menu and you click where it says request approval. Now you have to select as a member of staff to approve your survey. So using this drop down menu, you want to find the person that you've been working with. Now I'm using a student account that I've set up for myself, but I'm going to click myself as a staff user just to demonstrate how this all works. You can add a comment, so you can say something like, please take a look and approve my survey. And then you can click the request approval button. First, you can see here that you've requested your survey to be approved. Now, hopefully soon, the member of staff that you have sent the survey to will get an email saying that you have requested for it to be approved. There we go. So then we click on it, and then here it says that you basically, for a member of staff, you get the email to say that your student has requested for you to approve their survey. So now if I log into my staff account, I can see at the top of my staff account that I have a student who's requested me to approve a survey. So I want to go on review for approval, and basically you see the kind of preview survey page that you normally see when you click preview survey. So as a member of staff, you basically would want to go through and see how it all works. And then basically once you've done this, you want to kind of add comments. So say, let's deny this first. Say, please change the consent form. Let's click deny. Now you've sent that, the student should then get an email which basically says that the member of staff has denied the survey for approval. So as a student now, you'd go back on and you'd log in. And when you log in, you'll see here that it has been denied. So you can make whatever changes you want to make to your survey, and then you can resubmit the request. So you select the person that you sent it to before, and you can say something like, I have made the changes, and then click request approval. Now the staff member will then get another email to say that you've made the changes to your survey. Right. So then the staff member can then log in again . And then for a second time, basically you can see the status and you can see that the student has made some changes and they've put this in a comment. So you want to select review for approval. And then this time, let's just pretend that you're happy with it. You click approve. Now this is all the staff member needs to do, because the student will soon receive an email basically saying that the survey has now been approved. Do double check that any of these corresponding emails from Qualtrics hasn't ended up in your clutter, because this can happen sometimes, so do double check your clutter. And now it's come through, so you can see here that you get an email which says that your survey has been approved and activated and can be distributed to the Qualtrics Research Suite by logging in and clicking on Distribute Survey. So let's do that. So let's log in to student account. So we can, as a student, you can now see that your survey has been approved. If you click on your survey, then click in distributions. Then if you go down to anonymous link, here you can now see the link that you can copy and paste into like Facebook and Twitter, and you can use this to share your survey on social media sites. You can alternatively click social media, and if you're logged into Facebook and Twitter, then you can share it automatically using these buttons. If you want to make a poster, then you can download this QR picture, and you can stick that on a poster, and then people can use the QR code to access your survey. However, most commonly, you will use this anonymous survey link. So that is how to get your survey approved and then distributed online.